Alrighty.
Okay.
So we'll try this one more time.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Michael.
And I'm Lisa.
And we are the Blacktop Trekkers. Thank you for tuning in to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we are preparing to travel North America full-time in an RV. Feel free to go back to the very first videos and review them so that you can get to know us.
We'll put a link down below.
Somewhere. So, that being said, we are currently located in the Beaufort, Port Royal area of South Carolina on Parris Island, the Marine Corps Recruit Depot. They have a wonderful RV park here, and for those of you who are retirees of the military, active duty, guard, or reserve, you should have access to the installation and can take advantage of the facilities. We're going to try to take you on a nice tour of the area here and let you see what's going on with the post, what they call it, a camp, I guess. Anyway, into it later.
We're going to take you and show you the bathhouse and the laundry facilities.
Bathhouse.
And the laundry facilities. And they're supposed to have Wi-Fi here, but we think maybe because of the recent storm that they haven't gotten it hooked back up yet. So we haven't been able to connect. They have a really nice beach area here. I say beach area when low tide.
It's a nice little park.
And it's a park right on the water, and it's got like a little shelly beach, and it's just really pretty. There are picnic tables, and they have quite a few areas like that around here. It's just a beautiful, beautiful place, with the exception of the lovely little birds that fly around and will eat you.
Okay, she's referring to the mosquitoes.
Yes,
okay,
it should be the state bird of South Carolina.
And if you're from the southeast of the United States, you're highly familiar with what mosquitoes are. But what the unique thing here, and all you Marines out there who did your basic or were stationed here, you know what I'm referring to here when I say that egg water. It's the sulfur water that is notorious here on the island. And for those of you who have never come here, it's not your tanks.
Right. Yeah. No.
So I highly recommend a water purifier to drink from, unless you really like that unique flavor it gives coffee.
Yeah, we've got one of those pure drinking filter things in the refrigerator, like a container that filters the water again. We already filter it 3 times. So that's the 4th time, but it takes that egg smell and taste out of it, that pure filter does.
So, in the future, we hope to bring you guys some videos on some of the fixes, modifications, upgrades as to what we've done to the RV here.
We call her Martha.
Her name is Martha.
Obviously, there's no drone flying here. So
please feel free to try though.
No.
Love to hear about your experience.
No,
Make sure you put it in the comments.
No, do not. Do not. Anyway, so we will get up on the roof and show you like a nice little aerial view from the roof of where our campsite is.
And it's a small facility, but it's
they're all
ideal.
level. There are picnic tables.
Full hookups.
Full hookups.
So,
yeah.
Well, so we don't ramble, because apparently we do that. We're ramblers. On the road again, rambling.
He's not walking through the grass because he's just too good for that.
No, because it stirs up the blood.
Oh.
Here.
Afternoon cocktails. Oh my God, it's hot out here.
Yeah, there's no breeze right now. At least there is. It's just up high. You can see the top of the trees moving there.
You think they got like 17, I think he said, or 18?
18 sites.
So there are 18 sites here.
Okay. And we are currently approaching
the bathhouse.
The bathhouse. and laundry room. Now, of the amenities that they have here, they have a vending machine for soft drinks, which you're about to see.
Hang on.
Yeah, here's they have a mailbox system.
Huh.
Okay. So, to your right,
The laundry. All right, look at her. Okay.
So you have basically 2 washers, 2 dryers. It is change operated. They do have a rent space in there. As you point out, they have a small folding table and 1 chair so that you can sit with your laundry.
I'll let you.
Go to the ladies' room because I have not seen that. But they also, good point, they do offer glacier water refills. Prices are extremely reasonable.
Yeah, so you can bring your jug and
35 cents per gallon or $1.75 for a 5-gallon jug.
nice.
In case you don't like that water.
All right.
As those of you who stay don't know. Now this particular one does not have a camp host. And it really doesn't have a check-in or check-out. Easy to contact through the Parris Island website. It was well thought out the way they designed it because they have it where you can pull back onto the main road and then back right into most sites. There's only a few of them that you may have a little difficulty. But we're all the way down here at site 1, and then
We were site 6.
We're actually located in site 6. So, not a bad thing.
No, but see, they all have little picnic tables.
Mm-hmm.
And they just put in new power poles on all of them, so they all have little night lights. And there's 30 amp, 50 amp.
Yep. And we've also, or at least I have noticed, that the water pressure is about 60 when you have nothing running. It backs up to about 60. But then when it's flowing, it flows at about 40. Now part of that is the way I have my pressure regulator set up, but I have tried to open it up a little bit, and it won't take it too much further than the 40 mark. But you got to get over the sulfur smell.
Yep. Alright, we're going to go climb on the roof now.
Alright, so we're going to do a quick overview of the park here from a semi-bird's eye view. There we go. So, showed you the bathhouse. I'm going to just slowly pan. So right behind us is a beautiful salt marsh, and then some pine forest. And then pan all the way through. Oh, nice clouds in the distance. And then across the street, also some marsh. There we go. And then some old area that had been basically reclaimed by nature. So basically this is the RV park here at Parris Island.
The downtown area of Beaufort.
Beaufort. That's Beaufort, not Beaufort, North Carolinians. It's Beaufort.
The waterfront area. Of course, leave it to us. We'll found a lovely little local watering hole.
Of course.
Yeah.
Water's
live
important.
Music. Yes. So
I like that spirited water.
anyhow, we'll take you on a tour of that and show you the downtown area. And
yeah, that's it. Okay, I don't know if they can hear me over the wind,
Well,
but
sure.
okay. So Beaufort is a little over 300 years old. It was one of the wealthiest ports in its earlier years. It became one of the more strategic ports for the Navy. Uh, it also uh, became one of the poorest after slavery. Go figure. That's how they made the money. Um, and then they had kind of a version of gentrification when the Marine Corps decided to base their training depot or recruit depot here on Parris Island, and they decommissioned the old Naval Air Station and recommissioned it as the Marine Corps Air Station. And yeah, that's basically it. I mean, tourism and historical filmmakers basically now make this what it is, along with the Marine Corps.
Yeah.
That's basically.
Are you done?
Wait on you.
Really?
Wait on you.
Okay, so we're going to
Cocktails.
take you around and show you a couple of places we've eaten. We had just had lunch at, what's the name of it?
The Hearth Pizza.
The Hearth Pizza. Yeah, it was delicious. Michael's having a beverage. We're gonna have lunch.
It's foamy coffee.
Then we're gonna go walk on the waterfront. Maybe get some dessert. What do you think? Maybe? Huh?
Sure. Dessert. Tells the story of the 300-year story of Beaufort.
Nice.
And the fact that the Spanish, then the French, then the Spanish, then the English, with the help of the Scots, basically the Scots. Did you know that this used to be the capital of Spanish colonial America?
I did not know that.
Yes, that's on Parris Island. That's a place where
Nice.
Yeah, and then they moved it to St. Augustine.
Okay.
And I was just getting into reading the rivalry with Spanish Florida resulted in the founding of Beaufort. Queen Anne's War, 1702 to 1713, prompted an attack by Carolinians on St. Augustine in 1702, led by Colonel James Moore's army assembled at Port Royal Island. The attack on St. Augustine failed, but on their return they left an outpost here. By 1706, the Beaufort outpost had become a log block house and a palisade with a garrison of British redcoats. The town grew around the fort with Indian trade in deerskins as the first commerce.
Yeah. Well, there's your little piece
Anyway,
of history.
there's a lot more to it too. That's just the first paragraph.
Are you bored? Really?
No,
You tired
no.
already? See, this is what I got to deal with. So,
See, while I was gathering tidbits of historical data, she was sitting here working technical aspects of the DJI Osmo
pocket. So we'll see how this one works.
and her phone.
Yeah, but for the most part, this video is going to be completely on the pocket this time.
Ooh, on
Ooh.
the pocket.
Yeah,
Sounds
completely
naughty.
completely on the pocket.
Naughty.
But anyway, so just in case you guys, this is your first time to the channel, we'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, not a finger up, but a thumbs up, and subscribe.
Subscription, man.
We're gonna try to bring you some more fun things and
And hit the notification icon bell over there, I think.
or
Wherever it is.
Anyway,
She doesn't like it when I do it. It's down there.
Stop. Somewhere in the description, I will put a list of the places that we went to eat, so that in case,
And all the
it's
tools
lost.
we've used, like a fork. And
Ha ha ha, funny. Anyway, thanks for watching, and until next time, go make some memories, guys.
Yeah.
so the Wi-Fi is putting out something, but it just ain't connecting. Sounds like a lot of my relationships.
Stop. Anyway, so we're gonna.
Travel. Hello, feeling saucy already?
Stop.
I don't do any of that. I'm just here for this.
Yeah.
Right here.
God help us all. Anyway.
He has helped you many times.
Anyway.